also called Kuya and Ate. At this juncture, I shall charge you with your duties, responsibilities, and obligation of being a leader. Please remember, the essence of egoism is state of relationship or building relationship. Members must have primordially developed a deep sense of strong brotherhood among every eagle. Why? We should develop because we have one objective, and this objective is to serve service through strong brotherhood. We have a commitment to our community, to our country, and to our fellow eagles. Therefore, you must respect and support as brothers and sisters in this fraternity. Obey the Constitution at any given time in our Eagles Magna Carta. Love God with all your hearts. Develop and exercise the spirit of Palalayang Agila. Show good example in our community because we are a law-abiding citizen. Equip your family, all the aspects needs, spiritual, physical, emotional, and financial. Attend monthly meeting in your clubs. Participate all the activity in your clubs. Pay your obligation in your club, regional and national. Last but not the least, let us not forget being a leader. Let us look our fellow Kuya and Ate at his eyes with eyes of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation. I have a question to you, mga Kuya and Ate. Are these all clear applicants? I'll repeat. Are these all clear applicants?
Yes, sir.
About this book. National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Kuya Danilo Pareño, may I humbly present to you the following members of Submarine Blue Diamond Eagles Club, Masik High Eagles Club, Submarine Blue Diamond Eagles Club, and Australian Blue Diamond Eagles Club. After having undergone and completed the mandatory orientation seminar conducted this day by your truly, for in behalf of the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, I am now highly recommending to you, Kuya, these applicants, and they are now ready for induction.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. A member of state your club. A club being affiliated. A club being affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles of 1979. Subscribing to Eagles Magna Carta and believing to its capabilities as a self-reliant, Philippine-born, social-civic organization. I do have my solemn oath that I shall defend at all times the Eagles Magna Carta as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles, and I shall consciously uphold at all times the Eagles' delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my club, with my region, with my national fraternity, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations, you are now affiliated in our qualified members of the National Olympic Team.
Please give them a round of applause. Pakuyain natin.